Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SENS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very interesting pattern here headed into next week. And let's just get right to this pattern. The most interesting part of the pattern is this breakout portion of it right here at $4.25. And then the other part that makes, not a guarantee, but makes it very interesting in terms of, it's looking like the price wants to break above that level, is that lower trend line right there. So let's change that to represent more so a bullish attribute. But what we have here is just what I would call, an ascending triangle here, meaning you have the price and it is struggling. So, this level up here, 425, has been a very annoying, a very stubborn area. But, it keeps getting hammered, and it keeps getting hammered because, as you see via this trend line here, the price continues to push the price back to the upwards direction. It's nothing straight up or anything like that. It's just more of a methodical move. But the point here being is that the price continues to drift higher and higher. And that's why, this ascending triangle is going to be a pattern that I think a lot of people will be watching next week. And I say a lot of people because when there are lots of people watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And that's exactly what we have going on here with that 425 mark. So that doesn't mean, I'm not trying to say that anything's a guarantee, but my point here is that it's more than valid, it's more than rational to think that if the price works its way up to that area and then gets a break up through there, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So 425 is certainly going to be a very watched level. And then, of course, from an area of support standpoint, if the price were to pull back here, given the past record of things, nothing's guaranteed. But it is valid to think that if the price gets down to that area, it very well could start to, bounce back upwards. So keep an eye on that from the support side. But as of now, the price is much closer to potentially getting that breakout of 425. So let's see how this plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.